What is federalism? Federalism is a form of government that has both central and state or regional level administrations within an overarching political system. After its independence, Somalia had a highly centralized system of governance until 1991, when it collapsed with the outbreak of the country's civil war. Two charters were drafted, Arta in 2000 and Mbegeti in 2004, formally leading to the formation of a transitional government based on federalism. In later years, Somalia formed first a transitional federal government, then after adopting a provisional constitution, the Federal Government of Somalia, the current form. As a result, 3 tiers of governance were established: federal government, federal member states, and a district-level government. The federal government was further devolved into an executive led by the president and the prime minister as head of state and government respectively, a federal parliament and the judiciary. According to the provisional constitution, Somalia has a federal government based in Mogadishu and 6 federal member states: Puntland, Southwest, Jubaland, Galmudug and Hirshabelle, with Somaliland declaring its independence after the 1991 civil war. Further, Chapter 5 of the Provisional Constitution defines the boundaries of these federal member states, lists the principles of federalism as they apply to Somalia, and explains how the different tiers of government in Somalia work together. An important part of the section sets forth how the 2 levels of government share powers, reserving for the federal government authority over foreign affairs, defense, citizenship and immigration, and monetary policy. Some of the benefits of federalism include reaching citizens with services faster and closer to their homes. It also helps regional economic development by using locally raised revenue to be used where it's needed more. Other key features of the federal model of government supports a more equitable sharing of resources between the capital and the regions. Increase in political participation of citizens through the elected representatives at the local and federal levels include drafting federal laws and strengthening conflict resolution mechanisms through a federal judiciary. What does federalism mean to you? There is a constitution review process underway that aims to strengthen key parts of the federal model of government in Somalia, such as the way powers and revenues are shared among the 2 levels to be agreed on by stakeholders during the review process. Federalism recognizes the unique differences that make Somalia a vibrant nation while providing the tools to address its challenges. Federalism can benefit all Somalis and help to build a strong participative democracy that will usher in a bright future for the country.